Welcome to a new series where we aim to assist entrepreneurs in overcoming the challenges of starting and running a business. With the world entering another recession and companies expected to make large job cuts, launching your dream business could be your only escape from the rat race. Throughout these episodes, we'll be featuring entrepreneurs at different stages of their business journey who will be sharing their experiences and offering valuable tips.
There are 3 things you need to know to be a successful entrepreneur. Number 1, what is your purpose? If you don't know what your purpose is, go hang out with someone that's got purpose. I promise you it will infect you and you'll find it. 2, always be yourself. Stick to being authentic. Don't overhype or oversell. Be passionate, but do not be anything but you. 3rd, and probably the most important, fill your own bucket first. Entrepreneurship should be a selfish endeavor at the beginning. Make sure you can pay your bills and eat. After that though, remember, what is it you really want out of life? Keep your basic living needs low so you can go serve what's more important, which is other people. If you serve other people, I promise you, because the purpose of life is a life with purpose, it will make you happy.